am Dipali. Welcome to the DC show. And today we have with us the sensation on social media, Shrenu Parikh.
Thank you. Hi everyone. Hi.
How was it? The whole lockdown, everything. Also, you had this weird experience of being COVID positive.
Yes.
So, how is the whole lockdown? And
Well, lockdown पहले तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था and it's like जैसे chewing gum नई नई होती है तो बहुत ही अच्छी और juicy लगती है. Then you start getting bored. So I think वो होने लगा था और वही सोच के I stepped out of the house and मुझे COVID हो गया. So it was और मुझे ऐसा लगता है बहुत initial phase में हुआ था. So people didn't know how to react to it. I myself didn't know how to react to it. But अब हो गया. ऐसे टाइम पे when you are in a room fighting for your life और तब बहुत सारे लोग send you kind messages and all of that. Of course fans, बहुत सारे fans थे मेरे जो मेरे लिए fast कर रहे थे. They were praying for me, you know, कि मैं ठीक हो जाऊँ. So I'm forever grateful for that experience because it taught me a lot of things. To value life, to value health and to value people around you. So yeah.
nice, great. And I'm so happy that you're back on floor and right now sitting with us for an interview. Thank you so much for the time.
Thanks for having me.
Also, tell me something. Social media, mein you're there. I mean, you know, you're a lot of people's favorite, and you have crazy fan following, both men and women. So, how are you different, real and real?
Actually, you know what? That is the best part, DC. I am not very different from real. I try to be Shrenu always, and that's what connects me to my fans, to my audiences, and to a lot of people. Of course, you included that, you know, there is no drama around me, there is no fakeness around me. At least I think so. So, मुझे लगता है that is the factor which connects me to my fans.
Also, you know, there's been a constant thing that, you know, there are trollers and all kinds of things. So how do you really deal with your social media, you know, fans behaving or dealing or having a particular kind of nature for you or for anything that you're doing?
You know, I am a very sensitive person. So for people who say कि मुझे trolling से बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मुझे बहुत पड़ता था. I used to really get affected, and till date I do get affected. But my only learning from this whole trolling thing is you are very helpless to this whole thing, and the person sitting behind the phone you don't even know, and he himself is a very powerless character. So all I have realized, मतलब इस पूरे trolling के episode से, मतलब it's been years I've been trolled for so many things. तो मुझे पहले बहुत अफेक्ट करता था. अभी भी कभी कभी लगता है कि मतलब मैं रिप्लाई कर दूं उनको कि यार मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ या मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, इट्स नॉट इन माई हैंड्स या व्हाटएवर. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट आई हैव रियलाइज कि भाई जितना आप हेल्पलेस हो उतना ही पावरलेस वो सामने वाला बंदा भी है. और ये भी लोग कहते हैं कि अगर आप सक्सेसफुल हो और आपके हेटर्स ना हो तो ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है.
Correct.
I take it as a compliment.
Also, there have been a lot of Twitter wars between fans. Like, how do you deal? Do you laugh about it, or how? What is your response? Like a quick response.
No, see, I try to always keep calm, and I always tell this to my fans also that, you know, if someone is trying to instigate you, do not. Which is why I'm not there in Big Boss right now, guys.
Biggest secret out here.
Yeah.
Nice. So tell me something about your Gujarati film that we did. So how was the whole experience of shooting the film?
See, what I have realized is I have worked in TV for like donkey's years now, you know. So I wanted to experience something else. Plus, at the same time, Gujarati film industry is also blooming right now at a very great stage right now where, you know, they can start making a difference to overall like cinema. So I did it for experience sake, and it was, you can say, not as expected, but of course, not everything can be, you know, served on platters. So it wasn't the best experience, but it wasn't the worst as well.
Correct. But then how do you see the Gujarati film industry? Like, what do they actually have to improve to reach up there? And, you know...
यार मैं तो बहुत ही छोटी सी मतलब एक छोटा सा एक हिस्सा हूँ शायद. मैं हिस्सा हूँ भी कि नहीं अभी तक मुझे नहीं लगता. I'm just a film old in Gujarati industry. But what I feel is that it is on the right track somewhere. एक जैसे कॉन्सेप्ट्स बनने लगे हैं. आई थिंक वो अगर दे स्टॉप एट दैट पॉइंट कि भाई सिर्फ कॉमेडी नहीं बनाना है, सिर्फ ये नहीं बनाना, तो मेरे ख्याल से it's just doing perfect right now. And like I said, 5-6 years down the line, Gujarati industry is going to be as good as probably Punjabi film industry or the South Indian film industry.
Also, we've seen and we've gotten to know about this one thing that you want to leave everything and go to US and shift there. What is this? And do you really want to quit anything?
No, listen, I wanted to quit like 10 years ago. Let me tell you this. Now,
no, actually, this air should get
cleared. Yeah, तो मैं अभी एससी के शो पे मतलब डीसी के शो पे मैं पूरा ये कर देती हूँ, खुलासा कर रही हूँ, धड़म धड़म धड़म. आई एम वेरी ड्रामेटिक, सॉरी. तो मैं ये कहूँगी कि आई एम अ फार्मेसी ग्रेजुएट एंड आई ऑलवेज थॉट दैट after doing like a couple of shows, 1 or 2 shows, I will probably settle down and just shift to US and do like MBA or something like that. I always thought so, but God has been so kind यार, and I never plan things. तो बस जिंदगी चलती जा रही है. 10 साल खत्म हो चुके हैं, अभी देखते हैं आगे के 10 साल में हम कहाँ होंगे.
She's very mature, guys. She wants to be very mature for the coming years as well.
While those 10 years, जितना 10 सालों में मैंने काम किया, I've realized that I'm meant to do this. I'm born to do this. I cannot quit acting. मतलब मेरे अंदर से वो एक्टर कभी निकल नहीं सकता. अगर मैं शिफ्ट भी हुई, I will still pursue acting.
Nice, great. Also, you've been in the industry since a long time, as you just said. So, what have been your experiences when you look back and not experiences but the learnings, the major learnings, and through which you actually thrive and move on to have more years?
Lot of struggling days in terms of भाई मतलब भगवान was very मेहरबान लाइक मुझसे जब मैंने एंटर किया था इंडस्ट्री में कि भाई जिस भी ऑडिशन में जाती थी it used to be a yes and all, but I didn't have a house here. I didn't even have a relative here जिनके यहाँ मैं जाके रुकूँ. Like मेरा first show मानसी, she's also been on your show, right? So मानसी पारेख के साथ था and she was of course very senior to me at that time and मेरे पास घर नहीं होता था और मैं उनके साथ शो कर रही थी. आई यूज टू ट्रैवल विद हर. मैं उनके घर पे रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरे पास घर नहीं होता था यार. आई यूज टू लिव इन अ होटल और अ गेस्ट हाउस एंड माई पेरेंट्स आर बोथ वर्किंग. विदाउट टिकट हम लोग ट्रैवल करते थे क्योंकि कभी भी बुला लेते थे. बिकॉज बॉम्बे में रहती नहीं थी, मैं बड़ौदा से हूँ तो मैं बड़ौदा में रहती थी. तो ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ कोर्स एंड देन गुड्स बैड्स. मैं आई तब मुझे एक्टिंग का ए तक नहीं आता था. मुझे ये तक नहीं आता था कि कैमरा का फेसिंग कैसे लेते थे. जब बैग होती थी आई यूज्ड टू डू माय टचअप. सो आई वाज दैट न्यू एंड आई वाज लाइक दिस होल इंडस्ट्री वाज लाइक अ न्यू चैप्टर इन माय लाइफ तो धीरे 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 हर शो से कुछ कुछ सीखा, कुछ कुछ पीछे छोड़ दिया एंड या here I am after 10 years.
Great. You've been on TV for many years now. So how do you rate or how do you think is the TV content right now with having OTT right there?
Yeah, I think of course TV audiences try to grow and there are different concepts. कुछ चलते हैं, कुछ नहीं चलते हैं. जब किसी ने मतलब जब नागिन आया था लाइक अगेन एकता मैम हैड गॉटन अ नागिन अगेन. हु वुड हैव थॉट कि जब हम बचपन में जो नागिन देखते थे सेम कॉन्सेप्ट अभी भी चलेगा. सो with OTT now of course TV is trying to improve more.
Correct. Also, have you watched any of the Gujarati films if you can name some?
Yeah, of course I have. I have seen Beyar. That was my first Gujarati film. Like after what the change had come. I have seen Helaro, I have seen Lavni Bhavai, I have seen Shubharam. I have seen a couple of films. Yeah, a lot of films actually.
But do you really think that this person would really make it big or something like that from the industry, like a promising actor kind of a thing for anyone?
नहीं यार, मैं खुद एक actor हूँ. मतलब I wouldn't like if someone judges me or speaks about me on a show saying that I don't think she'll do well. But of course you have your favorites. And I love Prateek's work. अब तो पूरी दुनिया जानती है प्रतीक को. But I have seen him like grow, during these years and the humbleness that he has, and he deserves whatever he's having right now. So yes, Prateek is the one person that I really want to name.
Nice. Also, something if you have to choose between TV, web shows or a film, what would you choose?
Anything, yeah. Anything that gives me a scope to act. मैं तो मतलब करने के लिए ready हूँ. फिर वो theater क्यों ना हो. Like I die to, but my problem is rehearsals करने पड़ते हैं. There is a lot of effort you put in when you do a play. So मेरे को कभी वो मौका नहीं मिला, but acting अगर मुझे करने का मौका मिलता है, I will do anything, irrespective of the medium.
Also, something about the kind of scripts you want to work in Gujarati film industry and the kind of scripts you're offered.
I'll tell you, Gujarati films, like I said, the subjects are same. So that's what I've been reading. But I would love, you know, to do like a nice love story. I think ऐसे DDLJ types कोई film बननी चाहिए गुजराती film industry में. That can be forever cherished and forever remembered, you know. So ऐसी कोई love story or a thriller maybe, or suspense or horror तो नहीं करना चाहूँगी, but these two are, and of course the family films are always welcome. So yeah.
Nice. Okay. Tell me 5 things about you that no one knows, including the social media.
Oh my God.
5 things that no one knows about Shenu Parekh.
यार ऐसा तो कुछ है ही नहीं. अब भी मैंने बोला कि you know, my fans always know all about my phobias and everything. But yes, I cry before my first day of shoot till date. कभी भी कुछ भी होता है मुझे इतनी nervousness होती है. I get anxiety. People think that I'm a very happy person, but no. And of course, I also have panic attacks. And मैं बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive हूँ. And मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा लगता है जब मुझे पता चलता है कि कोई मेरा अपना मुझे बैकबिच कर रहा है या समथिंग लाइक दैट. और मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा बुरा लगता है जब मुझे लगता है कि मेरे हाथ में ये प्रोजेक्ट आ गया और चला जाता है. सो या आई डोंट लाइक रिजेक्शंस.
Also, tell me, how have you grown as a person being in the industry and because of the learnings or because of the lessons?
So all these years, as a person, I have started accepting my failures also. कि भाई ठीक है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर ऑडिशन में आपको हाँ ही बोल देंगे या हर शो वर्कआउट हो जाएगा. कभी कभी ऐसे भी होता है कि प्रोमो भी शूट हो जाता है और वो कैन हो जाता है, you know. So नसीब की बात है. फिर eventually हमें पता चलता है कि वो this was for good only. So I've learned a lot of things, how to keep patience, how to, you know, believe in God, how to believe in your own talent. All of this I've learned during the years.
Nice, lovely. Okay, so we are ready for our next segment, which is called the Sach Bowl, wherein there'll be 3 or 4 chits that you'll have to pick up, and there'll be questions for you that you'll have to read loud, and that's it. You have to answer them well. That's it. So here you pick up the first chit.
Oh, yellow is my favorite color. Who do you think has the best PR in the industry? I feel from TV it has to be Hina Khan.
Okay.
And from Bollywood, I think Alia Bhatt. Yeah. Okay, next. Have you ever lied about your age? You know what? I think I should start now. क्योंकि पहले लगता था यार हाँ ठीक है बिंदास, तो मेरा तो विकिपीडिया पे भी रियल एज लिखा हुआ है, बट नो आई हैवंट.
Okay, one last.
Pink. Have you ever overquoted your fees to get out of a project? Yes, I have. And the secret is, it's Gujarati projects only that I have overquoted because I didn't want to do it.
We do one more and that's it.
Okay. Green again. A rumor about you which is exactly true. Okay, so there were a lot of rumors about me dating my co-stars in the past and all. So I would talk about the ones which, you know, eventually came out कि no, she wasn't. And there was one thing also कि I traveled to USA because I have a family there. That's true. That's not a wrong thing. So yes, if you think that I'm going to shift to US, it could be true sometime. Yeah, so there you go.
All right. Thank you so much, Shenu, for all your time. It has been a pleasure to have you here.
Same here. It was lovely.
Thank you so much.
Hi guys, this is Shenu Parekh, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe this channel.
हाय
Hi.
बेटा, ये क्या पहन के आई हो? टांगे दिखाना, यही करती है ना आजकल की लड़कियां, इसीलिए नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हें कोई अच्छा लड़का.
चड्डा पहन के आएगा ना मेरा वाला लड़का तो.
हाय राम.
you've been shooting for Gujarati films here and in Ahmedabad. So how is it different?
गुजराती फिल्म का सेट का खाना इट्स गुड, इट्स जस्ट गुड. पता नहीं यहाँ बॉम्बे में भी गुजराती फिल्म का सेट का अच्छा है और बॉम्बे में हिंदी फिल्म का मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा था.
How is it to work with Ranveer Singh?
एक तो उसकी एनर्जी बहुत कंटेजियस है, बट देन मेरी भी वही
वैसी
एनर्जी
ही है. I know. We are like literally brother sisters.